Srangsalo Rajakhor Agulini Bhavano Tripura Meghalaya tei Manipur ni Philbachibrwi Statehood tei Palaijakha Pandao Narowai Okra Wngwi Manjakha Haste Hastepha Indrasena Reddy Nallu.
फाउंडेशन डे है त्रिपुरा भारत के उत्तर पूर्वी क्षेत्र का एक छोटा सा पहाड़ी राज्य माँ त्रिपुरा समुद्र के पूर्ण भूमि है ये धरती
Ashlo Bhavano Singzakmani Pandao Kok Sanani Thange Hasteni Hastepha Indrasena Reddy Nallu Tripura Meghalaya tei Manipur ni Shugamungna tei Kok Shaka.
Our sister states Manipur, Meghalaya too, I know are on similar transformative journey, celebrating their rich heritage while foregoing new paths in entrepreneurship, organic farming and ecotourism. The cultural wealth you bring from Manipur's grace dance to Meghalaya's living room bridges is a treasure for all of India. Your strides in sports and sustainable development inspire us all. As we celebrate under the banner of Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, let this day be more than a cultural showcase. Let it be reaffirmation that the states born on this day are not just preserving their past, but are dynamically building their future, a future firmly on the path to Vikasit Bharat, a future where the farmer in Dhulai, the artisan in Utkurul, and the student in Shillong all have an equal stake in the nation's progress and share equally in its prosperity. Let us move forward with unity and determination. Let us build a Tripura and a northeast states where every village is connected, every home is prosperous, every mind is enlightened, and every youth is drug-free and full of ambition.
Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.